You're asking me to show you how I knit on circular needles, 9 inches, and how I hold my yarn and everything. If you want me to explain how I do it, I'll try to put, as you can see, hand over here so I hold the fabric, and then I'm holding a fabric over here, so I'm not actually holding needles per se. So I'm pushing stitches and I'm holding a fabric. Maybe I just hold over here a bit of a fabric and a needle, and basically I'm just moving this. So my left hand has a really nice grip. I don't have to struggle a bit. And what I'm doing, as you could see, I'm gently even patting the yarn at the fabric, and I'm just pushing like this, needles forward. There's one thing that's very hard to recreate over here, because this fabric, this sock, is flat on the ground. Normally it's hanging, so it's easier for me to maneuver it. As you could see over here is just taking me a time to flip it over. So that's the difference, and that's how I knit. Now let me know down below, have you tried 9 inches? Maybe I've inspired you. If you're interested in what kind of needles I use over here Hayahayas. I haven't checked other needles yet, and I know there is a difference in regards length of the tips. I think in Czech goose, I'm not sure. Let me know everything you know about it. I want to learn too. Bye!